folks, it's me again, Mr. Stomach. Yeah, if you watched my last video before this, you'll have seen me dismantle a little like portable fridgey thing. It's like a little portable like home fridge, little fridge. That big giant thing. But the only thing I kept off it, where I'll show you, four little rubber pads and two little hinges. You want to know why? Well, I have a whole bunch of old fridge glass shelves, and if I could find it, it's around here somewhere. I did a toy show and I made a glass case, and I wish I was doing YouTube videos time because it was just out of scrap wood. I have a ton of scrap wood, and I kept the windows because next time I do a toy show, I want to make some of those glass cases, but like deeper ones. And the little rubber stoppers on the bottom of the thing make good little rubber things for it to sit on, so I have to sit the case directly on something. And it needs hinges, and I'll put it in the box, and when in the spring or this winter I'll make another little case, get my little thing out, and I have the parts for it. So if you think like, you know, it's crazy scrapping some of this shit, I mean, yeah, it is, it's fun. I don't keep everything. I've been throwing lots of stuff out and organizing stuff because I might not use it right now, but I'm gonna go back to this and keep. The last set of hinges I used for the last box, everything was scrap. All the wood was scrap. The hinges were, I scrapped off of what was it? I think it was a piece of furniture. I had two scrappy hinges. I think the only thing I needed was screws, but I now have enough tiny screws that I could actually use the hinges. But even then, I cut out a box, cut the four corners, I mitered it, and I even had to, I don't know, I was doing something with my, what was it? My router, and I need a new router, but that's besides the point. But I had fun making it. It was cool. It was easy. It worked. I used Gorilla Glue, put the glass in. Shit worked really good, the glue. It's glued at my house, and it's a good little glass thing. So, yeah. Sometimes you find stuff you can use, and sometimes you're just like, whatever. So, take shit apart. That's my feeling.